this video, I will show you how to uninstall a sales channel from the Shopify store. As in my case, I have about 4 sales channels here: online store, point of sale, Google, and buy button. For the purpose of this example, let's uninstall Google sales channel. For that, we have to be logged in Shopify admin account and then click on settings. Then look for apps and sales channels. And then right in here under install tab, look for the sales channel you wish to delete. In my case, it's this one, Google and YouTube. Let's open it. Now scroll to the bottom where you will see the uninstall sales channel button. Go ahead and click on it. And then there's a warning, which basically mentions that once I install the sales channel, I won't be able to publish products, fulfill orders, or measure performance. So I have to agree to that and then select the reason, which is optional, but I'll still choose this one, not using app for now. And for the feedback, I'll just keep it empty. And then let's click uninstall. So the sales channel has been uninstalled. Now, if you go back to the Shopify dashboard, you won't see the sales channel right here. It's uninstalled. In fact, if I also go to the products, and let's open one of the products, in the publishing section, the Google and YouTube sales channel is also not available. So this is all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.